Welcome to CAC's Construction Engineering. Today, we will be animating construction equipment, loader, and backhoe. Loader. A loader is a heavy construction machine equipped with a large bucket mounted at the front. How loader works on site. Uses of a loader on site: loading dump trucks with soil or aggregates, moving construction materials around the site, clearing debris or leveling ground, backfilling trenches. Backhoe. A backhoe is a two-in-one machine. It has a small front bucket like a loader and a rear digging arm backhoe. This makes it extremely versatile for both digging and material handling. How backhoe works on site. Uses of a backhoe on site: digging trenches, holes, or foundations, lifting and placing materials, demolition of small structures, backfilling and grading work, loading and unloading light materials. This is the end for today. I upload construction videos every week on this channel. Stay tuned for more construction animation videos. Thanks for watching.